This one I watch on. You can see the name is there. If you click on it, it will take you right now there. I will show you. It will take you where you last watch or yeah. Finally it's in. But yeah, guys, it's the 3 episodes here. Oh, I watch all. And this one is in Japanese. If you guys want to look at them. I'm telling you guys, bye bye. Peace out, guys. I hope you watch all the good anime. And guess how I found this one? I will show you now. I found it on this channel, browser channel, but he quit. I quit. But you can also not watch it on here because it's blocked. Because yeah, I don't know. But yeah. He did quit. He said he quit. Yeah,
I'm quitting TikTok.
yeah. He just quit, but because you don't get the much or something. Yeah, you. That's
I'm
why
quitting
I found,
TikTok.
and that's why I found this YouTube channel because I was one of my friends gave said you must watch this, bro. You did watch a lot anime. So I watch all these anime and everything. And guys, I hope you love the Burning Witch. It's quite good. I I'm telling, it's a lot of good. Yeah.